Hello once again and welcome to the Secrets of Technology brought to you by AKA Science. This is class number 5, Techno Art. We are going to begin by having some fun with fractals. Pass out the Fun with Fractals worksheet and explain that a fractal is a pattern in nature that can repeat itself infinitely at different scales. Fractals occur throughout nature, but we're going to make our own. Pass out 2 transparency sheets and 1 large piece of white paper to each student. Then have them put a drop of paint in the middle of one of the transparency sheets. Gently smush the other sheet on top of it and press down on the paint so it spreads along the 2 transparency sheets. The white paper is just there to catch any spills. Separate the 2 sheets and discuss the patterns pressing them together produced in the paint. Let them compare the results with one another, and we're going to move on to some wearable tech with our circuit cuff. Begin by passing out the strips of paper and taping the strip into a loop big enough to slide on and off your hand. My hand was too big, so I wasn't able to actually wear mine, and we'll still show the steps on how to do this, while still keeping about an inch of the paper strip able to fold back. This is going to be our on-off switch. Now, take a button battery and carefully tape it into place under the switch with the negative side down. But be sure to leave a space the positive side of the switch can make contact with on the battery. If you tear the tape and use the flat side, you'll get a nice clean landing pad for the switch. Now take one of the jumbo LED bulbs and flatten out the wires. Then slide the negative wire under the battery so it makes contact with the negative side. Now take the long piece of maker's tape and, starting with the exposed positive wire of the LED, attach the maker's tape all the way around the cuff as centrally aligned as you can, continuing up and over the switch so that when it's closed, the tape completes the circuit and our bulb lights up. Let them show off their handiwork, and we are on to the final activity, tiles. Begin by passing out 2 tile sheets and have your students cut out the hexagons. Have them start laying down their tiles so the black lines always line up to black and purple to purple, rotating them as necessary. A pattern should start to emerge, and the more tiles you add, the more the pattern will become obvious. Have the students combine their tiles into larger layouts, and they should notice the pattern is actually non-repeating or aperiodic. Let them play with their tiles, then it's time to clean up, debrief, and move on to Class 6.